How to fix Telegram login loop issue. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve the login loop on Telegram, which is constantly and infinitely getting you to the same page. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're facing a login loop issue on Telegram, there could be various reasons for this. Starting off with our internet connection, we want to make sure that our internet connection is working just fine. Then after you've done that, if you're using Telegram app on Android, long press the Telegram app icon, tap on the I button that will take you to the app information page over here. Then when you've done that, you can simply scroll down to storage. From where you can go to clear cache, and you can also choose to clear the application's data as well. Now, when you've done this, it will clear the cache files from within the Telegram app as well. Now you want to go to your Play Store or App Store and search for the Telegram app and check if it has an update. You want to make sure you have access to the phone number that you're trying to log into Telegram with, and make sure that you're also receiving SMS messages and so on. And this way you should be able to fix the login loop issue. If these are not helping, then an alternative app that I can recommend you is Telegram X. Now Telegram X is also the official version of Telegram itself. I don't know what is the purpose of the second app, but the developer is Telegram themselves, so it's not a third-party application. And it has as many functions as the normal or the native Telegram app itself, and you can still do a lot of things in this. So I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.